Table styles and layers. For table style, you can create a new table style. You can edit your tables. To do that, go to the annotation and tab, click on this and drop down icon. So over here we have table style. Click on this. This window is going to appear. As you can see, this is a preview of how the table will look like, and this style is standard. You can create a new style, or you can modify this already created style, which is standard. So if you click on new, over here you can insert the name of the table style. So let's say we'll call this table 1, for example. So start with standard, then you click on continue. So after clicking on continue, then you're going to have this window. So under this set style, if you click on this, so we have a data header and title. So if you take a look at this table, this is the title of the table. This is the header of the table. Why these are the data. So if you click on data, then under data you can customize this. You can customize the table. You can customize the color, the alignment. You can customize the margin, the format. Then under the text, under the text, so inside the table, you can customize how the text will look like, the text height, the text color, the text angle. Then under the borders, as you can see, these are the borders. You can customize the line weight, the line type, the colors, etc. Once we go into tables, you are going to understand this better. For now, this is just a brief introduction. Okay, so after that, you click on OK. Then click on table 1. In order to make this your current table style, you click on set current. Okay, then now for layers, you need to know that your drawings in AutoCAD are always going to be in layers. You are always going to create layers for your drawings, so that you can easily differentiate between one object and another object. So it is very important you create layers in drawings for better efficiency. So for layers, you click on layer and property. Click on this. That is under the layer tab. As you can see, this window is going to appear. The current layer right here is 0. So this is our current layer. So if you want to create a new layer, all you need to do is click on where it says new layer. So if you click on this new layer, this layer 1 box is going to appear. So you can call this whatever you want. So let's say, for example, you want to call this door. In the building we have doors, columns, walls, beams, etc. So when you are trying to draw this in AutoCAD, you need to create layers for each object so that you can easily work on this in AutoCAD. Once we start discussing layout in full, you are going to understand this better.